Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Airtable for CRM. First, begin by creating a new base, which is like a spreadsheet, and name it something clear like CRM. Next, set up your primary tables, one for all your contacts, another for companies, and a third for tracking sales opportunities. For each table, define crucial fields such as contact names, email addresses, phone numbers, and deal stages. Remember to link these records together. For example, connecting a contact to their company to build a robust and interconnected system. Once your base is set up, you can effectively manage your leads and deals. Create a table to track where your leads originate and their qualification status. Use a Kanban view to visually move deals through different stages, from new lead to closed one. Assign specific tasks and follow-up reminders to your team members within each record. Additionally, leverage Airtable's powerful filters and grouping options to segment your customer data, allowing for targeted outreach and analysis. Airtable truly shines with its automation and integration capabilities. You can automate routine tasks, such as sending a personalized follow-up email when a deal moves to a new stage. Set up notifications to alert your team via Slack or email when a high-value opportunity is created or updated. Integrate with other essential business tools to streamline your workflows. Furthermore, create custom forms to capture new lead information directly into your CRM base, saving valuable time and ensuring data accuracy. Using Airtable as your CRM offers numerous benefits. You gain a highly flexible and customizable solution that adapts to your unique business needs, unlike rigid traditional CRMs. It significantly improves team collaboration, as everyone can access and update shared customer information in real time. This organized data provides valuable insights into your sales pipeline and customer relationships. Remember to regularly review and optimize your Airtable base to ensure it remains efficient and effective as your business evolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.